fried chicken with hot Cheetos. This is my first time. This is our first time, guys. So I only have, so I want to try the chicken itself and then the cheese mix. It's really good. Try with the cheese. Want to try?
No.
No?
It's so weak.
It's not that spicy. It's not spicy.
Huh?
It's not weak.
No.
No, it's not.
Oh my God.
That's chicken.
I like cheese.
Like cheese? Yeah. You like it?
I like it. I like this. It's not spicy. I like this. It's not spicy. It's not spicy. It's not spicy.
It's hot. I think I don't have the right cheese for the chicken. So I don't know. It tastes plain to me, and also the cheese is too cheesy for me. I'd rather just eat the chicken itself. Pero que pasamos con muchas chicas today. Or ticuran hot Cheetos. I'm gonna try it. I'm full. I don't really like this. It's too, I think I cooked it wrong. I fried it the wrong way. I might use the wrong fried oil. So, but it's good that we tried.